Uranus, the seventh planet from our sun, is a world of mystery and wonder. Shrouded in icy clouds, this gas giant holds secrets to the formation of our solar system and the potential for life beyond Earth. But could life truly exist in this distant and alien environment? Let's embark on a journey to explore the possibilities. Uranus challenges our very understanding of what it means for a planet to be habitable. Its frigid temperatures, turbulent atmosphere, and unusual composition seem inhospitable to life as we know it. Yet the universe is full of surprises, and life finds a way to persist in even the most extreme environments on Earth. Could Uranus harbor similar secrets? Could life, perhaps in a form we haven't yet imagined, exist in this distant world? Join us as we delve into the heart of this icy giant and explore the tantalizing possibility of life on Uranus.
Uranus is a world of extremes. With temperatures plummeting to -371 degrees Fahrenheit, it is the coldest planetary atmosphere in our solar system. This frigid environment is a far cry from the temperate conditions we experience on Earth. Adding to the harsh conditions is Uranus's atmosphere, composed primarily of hydrogen and helium. Unlike Earth's oxygen-rich atmosphere, Uranus's gaseous shroud would be toxic to humans. Furthermore, the planet lacks a solid surface like Earth's. Instead, Uranus is a gas giant, meaning its atmosphere gradually transitions into a dense, hot interior. The pressure within Uranus is immense, crushing anything in its path. These extreme conditions paint a daunting picture for the possibility of life as we know it. However, life is incredibly resilient and has been found thriving in some of Earth's most extreme environments, from deep-sea hydrothermal vents to acidic hot springs. Could Uranus, despite its harsh conditions, harbor life forms uniquely adapted to its alien environment?
Imagine for a moment a day on Uranus. The sun, a distant pinprick of light, does little to penetrate the thick atmosphere. You find yourself enveloped in an eternal twilight, the only illumination coming from the faint glow of distant stars. The air is heavy and frigid, composed mostly of hydrogen and helium. You would need a specialized suit to breathe and withstand the extreme cold. The ground beneath you, if you can call it that, is not solid. It is a swirling mass of gases and ices constantly shifting and churning. Gravity on Uranus is slightly weaker than on Earth, so you would feel lighter, but movement would still be a challenge in the dense atmosphere. The day, a mere 17 Earth hours long, is marked by the rapid rotation of the planet. This rapid spin contributes to Uranus's unusual magnetic field, tilted at an extreme angle compared to its axis of rotation. This results in auroras far more complex and widespread than those on Earth. A day on Uranus is a constant reminder that we are a long way from home.
Establishing a human presence on Uranus presents a monumental challenge. The extreme cold, lack of a solid surface, and toxic atmosphere make it an incredibly hostile environment for human life. Building any kind of habitat would require advanced technologies and materials capable of withstanding the crushing pressure and frigid temperatures. Transportation to and from Uranus would be a logistical nightmare. The vast distances involved would necessitate advanced propulsion systems and long-duration spacecraft capable of supporting human life for years on end. Resource extraction and utilization would also pose significant challenges. Uranus's atmosphere, while composed mainly of hydrogen and helium, does contain trace amounts of other elements like methane and water ice. However, extracting these resources and converting them into usable forms would require complex and energy-intensive processes. The feasibility of colonizing Uranus hinges on overcoming these technological hurdles. Developing the necessary technologies would require a significant investment of time, resources, and international collaboration. While the challenges are daunting, the rewards of expanding humanity's reach to such a distant world could be equally significant.
While the possibility of life on Uranus itself seems remote, its numerous moons offer a glimmer of hope. Titania and Oberon, the largest of Uranus's moons, are particularly intriguing. These icy worlds, though still incredibly cold, may harbour subsurface oceans of liquid water, a key ingredient for life as we know it. These hypothetical oceans, shielded from the harsh conditions on the surface, could potentially provide a stable environment for life to evolve. Tidal forces from Uranus and neighbouring moons could generate heat within these oceans, providing a source of energy for life. Furthermore, the presence of organic molecules, the building blocks of life, has been detected in the Uranian system. These molecules, delivered by comets and asteroids, could potentially seed these subsurface oceans, providing the necessary ingredients for life to emerge. Exploring these moons and searching for evidence of life in these subsurface oceans should be a high priority for future missions to the Uranian system. Discovering life on these moons, even if microbial, would revolutionize our understanding of life's diversity and resilience in the universe.
While the surface of Uranus seems inhospitable, could life exist within its turbulent atmosphere? Some scientists speculate that life could find a way to thrive even in this seemingly hostile environment. Imagine organisms, perhaps microscopic, floating in Uranus's upper atmosphere. These hypothetical life forms could be adapted to withstand the intense cold and ultraviolet radiation from the distant sun. They might even utilize the chemical energy present in the atmosphere, much like some bacteria on Earth utilize chemicals for energy instead of sunlight. These airborne ecosystems, if they exist, would likely be concentrated in regions where the atmospheric conditions are less extreme, perhaps near the equator, or in areas with more stable wind patterns. While this is purely speculative, the possibility of life in Uranus's atmosphere highlights the importance of keeping an open mind when searching for life beyond Earth. Life, as we've learned from our own planet, is incredibly adaptable and can thrive in environments we once thought impossible. Perhaps Uranus, with its alien atmosphere, holds secrets to forms of life unlike anything we've ever imagined.